Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Hadian kajing sapriang jong ki Durki Kiba bakaladon kajing sedang ban pom Dieng Lumpongdeng ubadan hapreng kapung Umyam. District Tourism Officer Karibhoy District uba ban nong kendri. Ula pensyai pat bakani kajingle kamdei satya kabaladon benta da kasorkar. Henry kabala Shim Kabu da ki Riew Shimet. Ute uhe officer katna tourism Karibhoy ulayathu ru ba tangmar yayo jingtip halor kate kajing pom Dieng na kaliang jong katnat kalabu ya kajing ujor syathanat Umyam bat pentip ru ba ha kajing tokit jong ki pulit layo ban kem ya ki Ngut ki Riew ki badon kti ula ujor ru ba katnat omtang ba kaladep ban ujor hathanat Umyam Henry kala pentip ru Shah katnat forest kajilla bat lakmi lenti bakin penlong ya kajing jurip la syai kesngi halor kate kajing keno pom Dieng hadolen nong Lumpongdeng. Na kaliang jong Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy District u Abhilash Baranwal habakran chikila pathai khubor hadian kajing elang kabakhot penlong dakat District Tourism Promotion Society Karibhoy. Ulayathu balingba kani kajing elang layo ban pensyai yaki shnong kathan Umyam halor kajing thumu jong ka sorkar bantay yaka 5-star Taj Resort and Spa. Ha Umyam khamtam ha kabayday bat ka dolen nong Lumpongdeng kabapersya jur da ka Green Tech Foundation. Ubaranwal ulayathu ru baha kani kajing elang kabalawan banyadon bentalang nadu ki santali kishnong kathan Umyam bakentop ya ka Maulendep Umbir Umnyo Umsaw bat Umyam Kameghalaya Energy Corporation Limited Kameghalaya State Pollution Control Board lembat katna tourism kalong kabaseso da kabapentip ru hadien kajing yo jing pensyai kite gisantali kishnong kathan Umyam kila penpau ya kajing kershan pura ya kate kajing thumu jong ka sorkar bante ya ka Taj Resort and Spa ha Umyam ban penlong ya ka jilla kum kajaka jengok kai ka bapau nam ha ka perthai na kaliang ka Green Tech Foundation ka badang penlong ya kajing syatngan baklembo put hanong ba shilong kala kentat ban wan ya Shim benta ha kani kajing elang lingba kani kajing elang kite kishnong kathan Umyam kila ai kajing kershan bapura kila dawaru baki khun samla jong kathan Umyam kide ban yo kam yo jam bat yo jing mentoy lingba kajing te ya kate ka project ka ba shongdor da kispa klur tingka shu ha kabayday bat ka dolen nong Lumpongdeng ubaranwal ula pensyai ru bakanomdon satya kanu kajing te ka banne syerta Henry tang kijing te kibala ban wengno tang shipor arpor bat kanie kaladon ru ha ka tender kabalapan mi dakatna tourism kajilla
kemudian pensyarah ni mah kita orang kalau buat gini yang department ngiyok complete dan mana kini mensajan ki ngiyok kon ai street manager bagi don Riew di bawah Shipok Island ban Pom Dieng tinggi buat hing la pentip segi usi jok Umyam police station ban mi iru buat hi la khai ki Riew ki jo hi bin pej ki Riew ba Pom Dieng tinggal ayo hi ban kem Ngut ki Riew hadin kini Riew ba Riew Shimet hi bawan ban pom hadin bala ayap yo itu jing jo tu hadin bala bagi obat ni pun pelanya obat rasa kasih kontan kajing token yang forest department tu stage Lumpongdeng Island em ya kat kajing tu tidang kio obat no kepada kio obat shopping klaim di Dieng kemudian rabun tambah tak kadang ya kan query ni kulit penal yang forest department kun lemit rasa kasih pengen lepet kita ki Dieng lapong.
We had today called one meeting from District Tourism Promotion Society. We had invited all the stakeholders, starting from all the 5 shnongs, Umber, Maulendep, Umyam, etc. And we had also invited MSPCB, MECL, Tourism Officer, of course, and Green Tech Foundation, who has been protesting against the project. However, the Green Tech Foundation refused to participate. They did not really come to participate in the meeting. However, all the shnongs were present, and we have explained everything to the shnong. We asked them if they have been, we explained everything regarding the project, and they are in support of the same. And we also explained them the different contentious aspects which were regarding construction on Lumpongdeng Island, and we explained them the stance of the government as well as the different aspects of the tender which has been floated by Tourism Department. So the outcome of meeting was quite productive. We were to start with, we were disappointed with with Green Tech's decision to not really come forward for the meeting. However, we had a very productive discussion with the Shnonks, and they have expressed support for the project going forward. And they also inquired about the construction part as far as the island is concerned, and we showed them the tender document, as I said, and they went very satisfied knowing that no permanent construction can take place over there, even though the environmental norms of the country allow permanent construction to take place on islands within a particular restriction set. However, the government of Meghalaya, understanding the importance of environment and the environmental concerns of the people, in the tender document itself, they have clearly specified that any construction, so-called construction, or any erection on the Lumpongdeng island will only be of temporary nature, something which can easily be dismantled, which can easily be removed, and it cannot be of permanent nature. It can only be of some makeshift structures for temporary events, nothing more than that. So that specific information I do not really have. That was not really flagged by any of the Shnong also during the meeting. However, the Shnongs were requesting for being given preference in livelihood opportunities, and for which we assured them that this is something that we'll facilitate meeting with the tourism department also, so that they can air their concerns, and especially they can place their request to the department for livelihood opportunities. As of now, no opposition from the village. In fact, they were very supportive of the government initiative. However, they just wanted more information on the same, and for that also we have assured them that there would be meetings with the directorate as well. But in principle, they were quite supportive of the initiative, and they are in complete agreement with the government in its vision of developing Umiam as a world-class destination for tourists.